Modern white kitchen cabinets are an excellent choice for a kitchen. They can be made of a variety of materials and fashioned with a wide selection of hardware. In short, when you choose white, you're giving yourself a blank canvas to build the rest of your kitchen design. Stay tuned to learn about this popular choice and how to explore adding this cabinetry to your kitchen space. Antique white cabinets. White is a popular color for interior cabinets for reasons including aesthetics, and it's extremely versatile. White kitchens are always in fashion, but if you want to take your style up a notch for next season, make sure it's with classic and clean-looking antique white cabinets. Off-white cabinets. Off-white cabinetry provides a clean and timeless look to any kitchen. This type of cabinetry is one of the most popular colors and works well with a variety of styles. The clean lines of off-white cabinetry contrast beautifully with the modern, sophisticated color choices that are most popular in homes today. Go with everything. One of the biggest benefits of choosing modern white cabinets is the subtle look of the finished installation. Many describe these types of cabinet options as having a timeless look that can go with any style, from futuristic classics. Modern white kitchen cabinets can go with any color scheme when it comes to furnishing and appliances, so by choosing this option, you won't be painting yourself into a figurative corner. Airy and light. You'll love your modern white kitchen cabinets for the way they reflect natural light in a space. These types of cabinets can be said to brighten a space and even bring an impression of cleanliness or sanitation to a kitchen. Installing modern white kitchen cabinets will give the appearance of space regardless of the size of your kitchen. Fits any style. You can never go wrong with modern white kitchen cabinets, whether you live in a new build or a period property. The color is the ultimate blank canvas, adaptable to any architectural style and any kind of home design. It's no wonder white kitchens remain popular. If you're investing in your home for the long haul, that's an important consideration. Opens the space. Dark colors can define a room's boundaries and make it feel closed in, but white has the exact opposite effect. The room will look bigger if you install modern white kitchen cabinets. When you're working in a small or dark room, white reflects the light, so it's particularly useful when there isn't a lot of natural daylight. It's very popular for homes with a galley-style kitchen or an L-shaped kitchen to install white kitchens in order to make the space appear larger than it is. If you're in the market for a new kitchen, white cabinets are a great option. They come in a variety of materials and styles, so you can find the perfect set to match your home. Off-white cabinets provide a clean and timeless look that will never go out of style. Plus, they work well with a variety of other styles, so you can change your mind later if you want to update your look. Want to learn more? Check out our deep dive in the article White Kitchen Cabinets, the Perfect Choice for Your Home in The Modernist, a mod cabinetry publication with hand-picked ideas and inspiration focused on modern, trend-led kitchens. And if you're ready to get started with upgrading your kitchen, click or call now to get a free estimate to see how much modern white kitchen cabinets cost. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.